I'm Mohammed Mansour, Operations Manager for the Printed Circuit Board Department. I'm proud to be part of the team since 1999. A PC board, or printed circuit board, is a flat board that acts as the foundation for electronic circuits. It features etched copper pathways that electrically connect various components like chips, resistors, and capacitors, allowing them to communicate and function together within an electronic device. Having our own PC board line right here in our factory in University Park, Illinois is a game changer. For production, it means we have total control over our production schedule and, most importantly, unparalleled quality control. Our team consists of several circuit board technicians with EET degrees. They ensure every single board goes through rigorous automated and manual testing before it leaves our facility. We can even build boards to order for custom configured light bars. Our in-house ability to produce PC boards is also why we can bring you innovations like our patented ROC technology. ROC, or Reliable Onboard Circuitry, eliminates approximately 85% of connections that are found in typical competitor light bars. This reduction in connections means 85% fewer potential failure points, which leads to less repair time and more road time for your emergency vehicles. Moving forward, we'll continue to bring innovations to our PC board line as we pursue more in-house prototyping and lead-free PC board production. Our PC board line is all about delivering the high quality and reliability you can expect from Federal Signal. It's innovation in these moments that leads to safety in this moment. That's Federal Signal strength.